Welcome to Tools Met. In today's video, we are introducing the CNC machine, a powerful and modern solution for precision cutting and professional manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This machine operates through computer-based commands, allowing it to cut, carve, drill, and engrave materials with extreme accuracy. Compared to traditional manual machines, CNC technology delivers faster results with consistent quality. CNC machines are widely used in woodworking, metal fabrication, plastic cutting, acrylic engraving, and industrial production. From furniture panels and decorative designs to machine components and signboards, CNC machines handle complex tasks with ease. One of the biggest advantages of a CNC machine is precision and repeatability. Once a design file is uploaded, the machine follows the exact same path every time, reducing human error and material waste. This helps save time, lower costs, and improve overall productivity. Another key benefit is automation. A CNC machine can perform multiple operations such as cutting, drilling, and engraving in a single setup. This makes it ideal for workshops that demand speed and efficiency. CNC machines support a wide range of tools, including end mills, router bits, drill bits, and engraving cutters, making them extremely versatile for different projects and materials. Safety is also improved as operators control the machine through software, keeping hands away from moving and cutting parts. Whether you are a professional workshop owner, manufacturer, or serious DIY enthusiast, a CNC machine is a smart investment for modern production.